In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use OBS virtual camera on your Discord and how you can use it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to go over here in the OBS. And as you can see right now, I'm recording. And also over here, there is another camera called Start Virtual Camera. First, you have to click on this one, right? So once you click on this one, you just need to minimize this and directly navigate to your Discord over here. From here, what you need to do is you have to click on the user setting. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and navigate to the voice and video. Now from here, go to the video. Now over here, as you can see under the camera sections, if you drop it down, you have an option called OBS virtual camera. So you can select it from here, then you can use it. This is the first and easiest way. But for some users, this OBS virtual camera or this option might be grayed out, or neither they don't have an option to select this. If that is the case, how you can fix it? So if that is the case, you have to minimize everything over here. First, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, type here for OBS. Then what you need to do is you have to right click and go to open file location. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to, once again, you have to right click and go to open file location from here. That is going to take you to this. And from here, what you need to do is you have to right click, you'll be landed over to this and go over here to the, from here you have to click on OBS Studio, and from here you have to navigate to the data and go to OBS plugins. Now from here you have to find something called WinD Show over here. You have to get into this and go over here, click on Virtual Cam Install, right click and go for Run as Administrator. Then you have to do is just close it. Close the Discord and you have to open it once again. Just go over here, search here for the Discord once again. And after this, most probably when you try to use the Discord with the OBS virtual camera, it will be working fine and you will be fixed by this. And this is the step, and I hope this cake video is helpful. That's it. Bye.